here's the deal. I partnered up with Dockmaster Home Hardware. I'm an auto glass. Hooked me up with these sweet runners. Dockmaster sent me the platform. Home Hardware helped ship it up here, and they helped me out with the materials. All I've done so far, I got 1-inch pink insulation, the high density foam, 3/8 inch pressure treated plywood. Just wanted to keep the weight down. It's a little creaky, but I think I'm gonna add more screws later. That might help. I switched out the hitch. I had it on another flapper hitch for my toboggan, so it was a 2-inch ball. I put that on and made a train. Then we got the cot set up. Becomes the workstation. Seat bag all folded up. The command seat. My leaky water bottle. Throw your gear underneath. I got another hole right here, but it's kind of in the wrong spot. This one gives me maximum hook set range. That's what we're going for. And we're trying to get some Panoptics videos. Fish coming in. That's the name of the game. Just dangle your bait until you see one come and engage. One trout took a long time to hit. I've got 2 on the dead stick, so dead stick for the win. Tackle galore. Anyway, let's get back to it.
I'm Ryan Gregory, and this is Fish in the Arctic.